Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. My name is Hannah. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me and my wonderful family members here at Hanna Watkins DIY. So today, as you can see, I am by myself. There is no hubby in this DIY today, but he read the comments. He was so excited enough. You guys made him feel so special that he is going to start crafting with me at least maybe once a week or once every other week, depending on how much time he can put in. So he is looking forward to it. He really appreciates all of the support. So thank you guys so very much for helping me get my husband on board. So we're going to be doing a new series called Crafting with Hanna and Maine. So be looking out for that. There will be a separate playlist for it. So you guys who want to see the husband and wife team craft, it will be there for you guys. But today it is just me, your girl, okay? I am going to be bringing you guys a budget DIY. I absolutely love sharing with you guys how to be creative on a dime. Now, today's DIY is a Dollar Tree DIY, as I was just saying before I got sidetracked. And I am going to be making a glamorous budget shelving units. Now this shelving unit is something that I'm making because I really need some more shelving to go in my craft space to hold my acrylic paints and glitters and stuff like that. And instead of going out and purchase one, I said why not be creative and create one and share it with you guys. So just in case you may be looking for a shelving unit and you're on a budget or you just want something different, it's not always about being on a budget as well. Sometimes you guys like to just have something a little different from the average person. You know, DIYs are usually things that you can't get in the store. They're handmade, they're made with love, and usually they're so creative that it's only on just like one of a kind, something like that. But anyway, this DIY it's going to be a shelving unit, and you can use it, like I said, I was going to put acrylics and glitters on mine. You can put spices on yours, so you can have it in the kitchen if you choose to. You could put it in the bathroom and have nail polishes or any type of beauty supplies or products on it if you choose to. I mean, there's so much you can do with this particular crafting shelving unit that I'm about to share with you guys. So what you're going to need to get started are 4 of these wood decor pieces here. They are from the Dollar Tree. Now, I will say that I haven't seen them in many Dollar Trees. There was only one particular Dollar Tree that I did see them in. I went to 2 other ones and I didn't see them, so I'm not sure if they are out yet or not. And I really haven't seen them going across YouTube, which is kind of odd, but I will leave the information back here in the description box so you guys can go online and check it out if you do not find them in your Dollar Tree. And another option for if you do not find them in the Dollar Tree is to go to Home Depot or Lowe's hardware store and have your piece of wood about this thickness, this length, like it's about maybe 14 inches or something like that. Get you 4 of those and you got what you need. Okay, I don't think it's going to be a lot. It'll probably be about $4 and some change. You just have them cut it, so you're really not like missing a beat if you don't find them in the Dollar Tree. Just want to share that alternative option with you guys. Also at the Dollar Tree they have these mirror candle, call them a candle holders. I would call them all kind of things, but these little mirrored squares is what I particularly like to call them. At the Dollar Tree, you're going to need 3 of those, as well as 3 mirrored picture frames right here. Okay, and these look like a newer version of their mirrored picture frames. I don't know, y'all. A lot of the items at the Dollar Tree that they normally sell to me are starting to look a little bit smaller scaled. Like these, perhaps. These don't really look like 8x10s. I'm gonna have to check the I don't even see it right now, but I'm gonna have to check the packaging and see if these are indeed 8x10s or not, because they really don't look like it. They're like a little bit smaller. But anyway, you're gonna need 3 of these, and you will need 6 of these here. And it doesn't have to be the ones with the bunnies on it, but if you can find the ones with the bunnies or the words, the writings, whatever, you're gonna need 6 of these, okay? You will also need some bling of some sort. I have some bling here, just some bling on a roll, or you can use the little small roll from the Dollar Tree that is like this with bling on it. It doesn't matter. You can get it from other craft stores. Just as long as you got you some bling to bling and glamorize that DIY. I'm going to use some adhesive rhinestones possibly as well because I want that bling to pop. So I am going to throw as much bling at this DIY as I possibly can without it looking too tacky. You know, sometimes I get a little heavy with my bling, but I'm going to try not to do too much, but I'm definitely going to bling it up, okay? So that's what you're going to need. Hot glue, permanent glue. You're going to need some screws. You're going to need about 6 or 7 of these little short screws like that, or maybe just a little bit longer. I just used what I had on hand. And you're going to need a couple of nails, about like that size. You're going to need a hammer, a screwdriver, or an electric screwdriver, whatever you have on hand. And you're going to need some contact paper, unless you don't mind taking and painting these items. You're going to use contact paper to cover them up because we don't want the pictures or the wordings on those pieces to show. And I'm going to use contact paper because I just don't feel like no painting this Sunday. I just don't feel like it. However, if you have the time or you want to use some spray paint or acrylic paint, I would suggest would definitely do the trick. Maybe 2 coats or so should do the trick. So yeah, with that being said, let's go ahead and slay this DIY. All right, love bugs. So I hope that you guys can see what I am doing. I'm going to try to use the best angles as I possibly can. I'm going to take 2 of these and put them together like this. I'm just going to tape the sides down like so. Okay. Okay, so I did put the screw through here, so that is together like that. Okay, now what I advise to do is I'm gonna put some glue in between to help so that doesn't do that. If you want to, you can always put a screw here and a screw there. I'm just not gonna do all of that. Personal preference. I'm just gonna take some glue. Y'all know I love using my hot glue. And I'm gonna take some on this side back here as well. And push it together like that. That's what I choose to do. So I got that together and about glued my table together, I see. But I am going to add a little bit of glue right here along the seam just to help secure it. So that would be considered one set. Set that to the side. Okay, so we have 3 shelves now, all placed together. And now all we need to do is cover them in contact paper. And we're going to cover these in contact paper as well. Our stuff together. Now we're going to bling out these things So the first thing I want to do is add bling down the front of these. So that's going to be the next thing we do. So I'm just going to take some bling, measure it. So we're going to cut that. Get that measure right. And I am going to make 1, 2, 3, 4 of these. So I'm just going to measure. Okay. I have the bling already cut out. As you can see, we're just going to glue it down around there. The adhesive bling I would suggest would be easier to put on, but this bling right here is absolutely gorgeous. It's the bling that is from Totally Dazzled. Gorgeous. It just really have the sparkle that I'm looking for, so I'm going to use it. I'm going to flip it over and apply some hot glue. Now you don't have to use hot glue. You can use any kind of other glue you want to use for this DIY. And I'm going to do a little at a time because this glue dries fast. Now I really need to cut my studio lights on, but hopefully you guys can see pretty well. If not, I apologize. So I'm going to do the rest for the rest of these things, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I added the bling to only the front side of the shelves, like that. Did it off camera. All I did was hot glue, put it on there, and we got all 3. So we got the long parts, the shelves, and now we are going to put bling around the perimeter of the mirror. Right around this part, I'm going to use some adhesive rhinestones around there. So I do have this foam board from the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna use this as some support for these mirrors. I'm just gonna place them on here and cut them, and I'm gonna use them as support. Because I want the mirrors to go down like that. But I just got it upside down because I don't want the reflection of the mirror to blind you guys. guys, so next we're going to take our shelf and we're going to place it on here. Get it exactly how we want it. And we're going to screw it down in here. So you guys, I just want to take a moment and say thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this DIY. This is the final reveal of this project and I absolutely love it and I hope that you do too. If you do, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you have not yet done so. I love you guys and I hope to see you in the next video. Peace, love, and blessings. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.